Happy National Mathematics Day. The Indian government declared 22 December to be National Mathematics Day. This was announced by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on 26 February 2012 at Madras University to mark the 125th birth anniversary of the Indian mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. Now we see the life story of the great mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. Srinivas Ramanujan, the man who knew infinity. Do you know the great mathematical prodigy who contributed mathematical analysis, number series, infinite series, and contributed fraction? Srinivas Ramanujan, an Indian mathematical prodigy. He was born on 22 December 1887 at Erode, parents Kamal Tamal K. Srinivas Lengar. We see that this picture the house where he was born. Born 22 December 1887, Kumkum, Madras Presidency, British India. Died 26 April 1920, Chetput, Madras, India, British India. College, Government Arts College, Panchamas College, Cambridge University. Academic advisors, G. H. Hardy, G. E. Littlewood. Discovery of theorems. First of all, no formal training in mathematics made an extraordinary contribution to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fraction. Expert in trigonometry at age 12, discovered theorems of his own. Fellow of the Royal Society and Trinity College, Cambridge. School education. Went school first on 1st October 1892, had to switch primary school 3 times due to circumstance. A synopsis of elementary result in pure and applied mathematics book acknowledged in walking in the genius of Ramanujan. The college without a degree and pursued research in mathematics. Research with Rao. Met V. Ramaswamy Iyer, founder of Indian Mathematical Society, introduced to R. Ramchandra Rao, Sesi of the Indian Mathematical Society, impressed by Ramanujan but doubted his integrity, continued mathematical research with Rao's financial help. Published his first work in Indian Mathematical Society, Ramanujan was shown how to solve cubic equation in 92, and he went on find his own method to solve the quadratic. Square root of 1 plus 2, square root of 1 plus 3, square root of 1 plus up to so on. The following year, not knowing that the quadratic could not be solved by radicals, by tried to solve the quadratic. Career. In early 1912, he got a job in Madras Accountant General Office with a salary of ₹20 per month. Later, he applied for position under the Chief Accountant of the Madras Port Trust, accepted as class 3rd, grade 4 accounting clerk, making arrears 30 per month, spent spare time doing mathematical research. Moving to England and life in England. Hardy considered him to a mathematician of highest quality, a man of algorithm, exceptional originality and power. Hardy one conic E. H. Neville commented that not one theorem could have been set in the most advanced mathematical examination in the world. Hardy invented Ramanujan to Cambridge University, but Ramanujan refused. Hartley then enlisted E.H. Neville to bring Ramanujan to England. With his parents supporting him, he agreed to the proposal this time. Ramanujan boarded the SS Nevsa on 17 March 1940 and arrived in London on 14th April. He began working with Hardy and Littlewood. Hartley revised 120 theorems from him in first two letters, but there were many more results in his notebook. After working with Ramanujan, Littlewood commented, "I can believe that he is at least a Jacobi." Hartley said, "Can compare him only with Leopold, Euler, or Jacobi." Ramanujan spent nearly 5 years in Cambridge. Honors awarded BA degree by research, later called a PhD, in March 1916. 6 December 1917, elected to London Mathematical Society, become a Fellow of the Royal Society in 1918, become the first Indian to be elected a Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. 1729. Hardy arrived in car number 1729. He commented that the number was uninteresting. Instantly, Ramanujan claimed that it was the smallest natural number, which can be written as sum of cubes in two ways. 1729 equal to 1 cube plus 12 cube equal to 9 cube plus 10th cube. Illness and return to India. His health worsened in England, diagnosed with tuberculosis and vitamin deficiency, that is TB, returned to Kumkum in 1990 and died soon thereafter at the age of 32. In 1994, Dr. D.A.B. Young analyzed his records and concluded he had hepatic amyloidosis. This is the life story of the great mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. An equation means nothing to be unless it expresses a thought of God. Srinivas Ramanujan. Thank you so much.